After the last redesign, the Santa Fe stands out from the crowd in many ways, starting from its unique exterior design. But now, it gets further updates that make it not just more unique, but also more substantial than the others. Let's check out what really makes the 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe so special, and why competition can't match this. Plug-in hybrid arrives. After years of waiting, the Santa Fe finally gets the powertrain it deserves. The 2026 model introduces Hyundai's first plug-in hybrid system in this segment, and it's a complete game changer. While other manufacturers have been playing catch-up with electrification, Hyundai delivers a system that actually makes sense for real families. The heart of this system combines a turbocharged 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, creating a total output of 268 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. That's significantly more power than the standard hybrid setup, which produces 231 horsepower. But the real magic happens when you consider what this means for daily driving. The 13.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack allows for approximately 30 miles of pure electric driving, enough for most people's daily commutes without burning a drop of gasoline. Think about it. School runs, grocery trips, even short work commutes can all happen in complete silence. When the battery depletes, the system seamlessly transitions to hybrid mode, delivering an impressive 74 miles per gallon equivalent. Charging takes just 3.5 hours with a level 2 charger, making it practical for overnight charging at home. This isn't just about fuel savings, it's about fundamentally changing how you think about SUV ownership. No more range anxiety, no more compromise on space or capability. The Santa Fe PHEV delivers the best of both worlds in a package that finally makes sense. What sets this system apart from competitors is how it integrates with the Santa Fe's standard all-wheel drive system. Power flows through a 6-speed automatic transmission to all 4 wheels, ensuring the confidence and capability families expect from their SUV, regardless of weather conditions. Standout styling. The current Santa Fe represents one of the most dramatic design transformations in modern automotive market. When Hyundai revealed this generation, they didn't just update the styling, they completely redefined what a family SUV could look like. The 2026 model continues this bold design language, ensuring the Santa Fe remains the most distinctive choice in its class. The front end makes an immediate statement with its hammerhead, shark-inspired grille design. Those narrow LED daytime running lights create an almost menacing expression, while the main headlight units sit lower in the bumper. This isn't your typical suburban SUV. It's a machine that commands attention wherever it goes. From the side, the Santa Fe's boxy, upright proportions give it an almost Land Rover Defender-like presence. The squared-off wheel arches and prominent side creases create a sense of rugged capability, while the relatively short overhang suggests this SUV is built for more than just grocery runs. Those 18-inch wheels on base models, scaling up to 21-inch units on top trims, fill the wheel wells perfectly. The rear design is equally bold, with vertical taillights that emphasize the SUV's wide stance. The squared-off rear window and upright tailgate maximize cargo opening size, making it genuinely practical for loading large items. Even the spare tire cover integrated into the rear design adds to the rugged aesthetic. But this isn't just about looking different. Every design element serves a functional purpose. The upright stance maximizes interior space, the squared-off design improves cargo loading, and the bold styling ensures the Santa Fe won't get lost in a crowded parking lot. This is purposeful design that doesn't sacrifice functionality for style. Interior design. The interior design perfectly complements the bold exterior styling. Hyundai's designers created a cabin that feels both sophisticated and functional, using clean lines and premium materials throughout. The dashboard design emphasizes the horizontal theme, creating a sense of spaciousness while keeping all controls within easy reach. The 12.3-inch curved touchscreen dominates the dashboard, seamlessly integrated into the design rather than looking like an afterthought. Physical buttons and knobs remain for climate control and audio volume, a refreshing approach that prioritizes usability over flashy design. The available 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster provides customizable information display, adapting to different driving modes and preferences. Seating for 7 passengers comes standard, with the option to upgrade to 6-passenger seating with second-row captain's chairs. The front seats offer excellent support and comfort, with available heating, ventilation, and power adjustment on higher trims. Second-row passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making longer trips comfortable for adults. The third row, while not the largest in class, accommodates smaller passengers effectively. It's perfect for children or occasional adult use, and the seats fold completely flat when extra cargo space is needed. Speaking of cargo space, the Santa Fe offers an impressive 79.6 cubic feet with all rear seats folded, among the best in its class. Practical touches abound throughout the cabin. Multiple USB ports in all 3 rows ensure everyone stays connected, while the available dual wireless charging pad can handle 2 phones simultaneously. The UVC sterilization compartment in the glove box adds a modern touch, perfect for sanitizing phones and other small items. Premium materials on upper trims include genuine leather upholstery, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting. Even base models feel well-appointed with cloth seating that's both durable and comfortable. The attention to detail rivals luxury brands, from the precise stitching to the solid feel of all switches and controls. Tech features. The Santa Fe's technology suite puts many luxury SUVs to shame. Starting with the infotainment system, the 12.3-inch touchscreen runs Hyundai's latest software, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The interface responds quickly to inputs and provides clear, easy-to-read graphics. Voice recognition technology allows hands-free control of many functions, from navigation to climate control. The system learns your preferences over time, making common tasks even easier. Available premium Bose audio with 12 speakers transforms the cabin into a concert hall with crystal clear sound quality at all volume levels. Advanced driver assistance features come standard across the lineup. Forward collision warning and automatic emergency braking can prevent accidents, while adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality makes highway driving effortless. Lane keeping assist and lane centering technology help maintain proper positioning, reducing driver fatigue on longer trips. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert provides extra confidence when changing lanes or backing out of parking spaces. The available surround view camera system gives a bird's-eye view of the vehicle, making parking in tight spaces much easier. Higher trims add even more advanced features. Remote Smart Park Assist can actually park the vehicle with minimal driver input, while Highway Driving Assist provides semi-autonomous driving capability on marked highways. The head-up display projects important information directly onto the windshield, keeping your eyes on the road. Powertrain. With the plug-in hybrid finally introduced, the 2026 Santa Fe now offers 3 distinct powertrain options, each designed for different priorities and driving styles. The standard engine across most trims is a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, producing 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just adequate power, it's genuinely strong performance for a 3-row SUV. Power flows through an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that delivers quick, precise shifts. While some dual-clutch transmissions can feel jerky at low speeds, Hyundai has tuned this system for smooth operation in everyday driving. The transmission learns your driving style and adapts shift points accordingly. All-wheel drive is available across the lineup and comes standard on XRT models. The system can send power where it's needed most, providing confidence in various weather conditions. Ground clearance of 8.3 inches on XRT models ensures capability when the pavement ends. The standard hybrid system combines the 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, producing 231 horsepower total. Fuel economy jumps significantly, with EPA estimates suggesting combined ratings well above 30 miles per gallon. The hybrid system operates seamlessly, with transitions between gas and electric power barely noticeable. The plug-in hybrid represents the ultimate evolution of the Santa Fe powertrain. With 268 horsepower available and 30 miles of electric-only range, it provides the flexibility to handle both daily commutes and weekend adventures. When operating in hybrid mode, expect fuel economy around 74 miles per gallon equivalent, exceptional for any vehicle, let alone a 3-row SUV. All powertrains deliver composed, comfortable performance. The suspension tuning prioritizes ride quality over sporty handling, exactly what most families want. Road noise is well controlled, and the cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds. Release date and price. The 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe will arrive at dealerships in late this year, with the plug-in hybrid following shortly after the standard models. Pricing will remain competitive, starting around $34,000 for base SE models. The plug-in hybrid will command a premium, likely positioning it in the mid-$40,000 range for well-equipped models. However, federal tax credits may apply, potentially making the PHEV version surprisingly affordable. Given Hyundai's aggressive warranty coverage and competitive pricing strategy, the Santa Fe will continue to offer exceptional value in the 3-row SUV segment. Early ordering will likely be necessary for those wanting the plug-in hybrid, as initial production volumes may be limited. The 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe represents everything modern families want in their SUV: bold styling that stands out, practical interior space, advanced technology, and now, finally, electrified efficiency. But let's be perfectly straight. Today's market is full of well-designed, versatile SUVs. Check out this video about the new 2026 Kia Telluride, which you can now see on the screen. Kia's flagship is coming completely redesigned, even better than the outgoing model, which is already considered one of the best mid-size SUVs on the market.